Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add auto captions on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to record myself saying something like hold on, hello and welcome back to this channel, something like that. And I'm just going to close this, and then I will just go to text here and go to auto captions and select create, and it's going to create the auto captions for me. As you can see, it says hello and welcome back to this channel. You can, I think, yeah, you can edit the fonts too over here, and also the font size. It's going to like add it to the whole thing, so you don't have to worry about editing it one by one. I'm just going to add, like, I guess a border to make it kind of like a caption, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!